Okay, last night I was using my Q-beam and it went out. So I thought the battery was dead. So I come back in my shop, got another battery, put it in there. The Q-beam worked. Well, I took my old battery and I put it on charge and it wouldn't even charge. So okay, so I'm like, well, something happened to the battery. Well, I should have did a test, did a video last night when I took the battery apart when I got done doing what I was doing, but I didn't think about it. I got two batteries here. This one here is the one that went out. It's already fixed, but I'm gonna show you what I did to fix it. And then you have this battery here. So let me get my tester right here. Alright, turn it on. Let's see. Okay. Now I took it apart. If it's not going to charge, then something's wrong with it. And as you can see, that's all a chipboard right there. Now, I understand what it's for. It's so that your battery don't overheat. It doesn't let it go overboard and die out, stuff like that. But all that's really not necessary. I mean, they could have done it a little bit different, but that's what they did. So, okay. I don't know about all these little chips right here. I don't know about everything, what it's called, and like this. This is a fuse. All right, if y'all can see that. This right here, that little part right there is a fuse. Sometimes those go out. I do have a battery that I replaced this in, and all I did was took some solder and I soldered right across that bridge right there, because right there is where it burned out. Soldered across, put it on charge, and it worked just fine. Now something went out in the other one, that this part right here quit working. Now with your drills and stuff, this has to have voltage in order for everything to work. For some reason it has, two ports with voltage and two grounds. Now I don't understand all this. I'm not a electronics person. I mean, I tinker. That's it. Okay, so you touch your negative side, positive side, 20.5 volts, and touch the other one is 20.5 volts. So in order for that to go out, that means some kind of little chip in here, some kind of resistor or whatever it is, went out. All right. So to make life simple, I'm going to set this one right back here. I'll put it back together when I get done with the video. This is the one that went out. As you can tell, I ran a wire from the back side of my 20 volt, my positive side, that's coming out of the battery, over here to the back side of this one. I completely bypassed the little chips or whatever that went out. Now, if it happens, you can still charge the battery, you can still use your battery. There's still 20 volts going on either side. Now, I don't know what exactly it's supposed to do, but I do know that it still works. Maybe if you can tell, you see where I jumped it from here to here. So it doesn't necessarily mean your battery's dead or all these is messed up. You can bypass this to make it still work. So, like I said, this on the other one here is your fuse. And that's what I did. I mean, as you can tell, I can put the cover back on it. You see your Q-beam, it doesn't have, here, let me show you. See how you got your negative and positive side? They're coming out with all these other little bolts, other little prongs. Well, your Q-beam has a negative and a positive. So with that one being out, it won't work. But now I just got this cover put back on it. It's not screwed down. You see? It works. I mean, so hopefully, if y'all batteries just go out for no reason, just take them apart. And it takes a T10 to take this apart. It takes just a few minutes, a set of testers to see if you got 20 volts, and a little bit of solder, run your wire. Now, I'm not going to say it's going to fix every battery, but it's a good chance that could be the problem. All right, y'all. If you like this video, hit that like button. And leave me a comment.